Welcome to this tutorial on how to access the bank statement module in Docyt. Step 1. Log into your Docyt account with your credentials. If you are logged in as a business employee, click on Accounting and then select your business name. For accounting team members, click on your avatar icon at the top right of the screen and select Switch to Accountant View to access the accountant view. On the dashboard, search for and select the business you need to access by clicking on its name. Step 2. Navigate to the Banking and Reconciliation section and select Reconciliation Center. Here, choose Bank Statements to manage and view all related information. Step 3. In the Bank Statements section, use the interactive calendar to gather month-end bank statements. Hover your mouse over the icons to check the status of each statement. Thanks for watching this video. Check out our How to Videos playlist to watch more videos like this.